Hello, it's Benji Bless here and welcome to my YouTube channel. Are you looking for ways to buy internet bundle at a more cheaper rate? Then this video is for you, so stay tuned and watch till the end. Now let's get started.
Your secrets, if you really look at yourself, you would be speechless. What happened to being doctors and teachers?
So you type star 567 star 1 star 1 star 1 star 2 hash. Then you select 0.07. Then you select any of them. I will choose 4. Then pay from your. Alright, so now I have it. This bundle gives me 50 MB. Now this 50 MB, you can accumulate it as many as you want. So the more you do, you get more MB. So let's assume I have 500 MB. It is only for WhatsApp, okay? It is only for WhatsApp and it expires within 24 hours. Please listen to me carefully. It expires within 24 hours. If you want to keep this bundle forever or unexpired, what you need to do every day is to repeat the process just one time. Nti emfa say over 500 megabytes umpe say ebesa ade bechi umbetia na why procedure na biom, but no be no ba kompe we na ba kombe kan ho pe, it will keep your whole bundle, okay? Nti de bia na why ba kon aka ho we ya ba ko kan ho, it's just going to maintain your bundle. And if you want to use this WhatsApp bundle, I want to say it is only for WhatsApp, but if you want to use it for any other apps, let's say you want to go to YouTube and all that, with this same bundle, you'd have to use an app called Alpheza VPN. To say I am connected, intimate may be a YouTube, with the same WhatsApp bundle. Abra, if it is not the app, enka, you'll be limited to only WhatsApp. Be Facebook ember, or TikTok ember, or be ember. But you see, I may use app intimate me, call YouTube, yeah, downloading, say, the person me with the WhatsApp bundle, you understand? So this is the app. You open to the app, then you connect the server 9, you choose server 9. But before then, you have to update it. Be app now, you have to update SI ember until you update you now. I select we. MTN Ghana we click so now I share now I select it. Into what way we know accumulate we and no me connect. There was something I supposed to have showed you. You have to add time. To be up no update you at the time. No say me add into me 12 hours. To add more timer. And also be I'm a way you swatch it. Yeah, so that is that. You can browse, do other things with a WhatsApp bundle. In Kenya app na. You will only be restricted to use it for WhatsApp, but you can use it for TikTok, you can use it for Facebook, Instagram, whatever, okay? That is that.